Alright folks, we're diving straight into a classic probation violation case. Notice how the defense immediately positions Natalie P. to advocate. This is a strategic move, signaling the court they're ready to fight for leniency.
Public Defender Natalie P. And on behalf of Mr. Grimes, who stands to my right, please state your name for the record, sir.
Teresa Clare on behalf of probation. Your Honor, Mr. Grimes is before the court for a violation of probation hearing. Mr. Grimes was sentenced in this case in September of 2015. He was originally given a heightened sentence that was revoked back in 2016. Since that time, Your Honor, Mr. Grimes is still in violation of any of the court's orders, in that he has a balance of $1,503. He did have a payment that was made to the court.
Oh, check that. $153 balance with a prior garnishment in April. 2023 financial missteps often complicate probation cases more than we realize. Even a small missed payment can influence a judge's decision.
April of 2023, however, that was due to a garnishment that the court had set out. There is a balance of that, of restitution, that is $265.05. Mr. Grimes failed to report to probation, failed to complete the class, failed to complete 25 hours of community service, failed to provide proof of his GED, failed to provide proof of employment. He also has new pending cases, 1 out of 42, that's a domestic violence alleged date of offense of November 7, 2019. He has a pretrial in that matter on the 27th in 2 days. He also has a pending case out of 14B, an aggravated assault, an alleged date of offense of May 31st, 2024. He has a pretrial in that case in July 25th of 2024. Given the non-compliance by Mr. Grimes, probation is recommending 93 days in jail with credit for 13 days served, that he serve the balance, waive remaining terms, accept his financial obligations, and discharge of probation.
Thank you, Your Honor. I did have the opportunity to discuss both the alleged violations of probation as well as the recommendation with Mr. Grimes. He does acknowledge the violations of probation. Our request at this time is for the to respectfully request the court to considering discharging him from probation without improvement. Of course, still imposing the financial obligations. We are respectfully requesting the court to consider not remanding him today, as he did serve 13 days already so far for his violations. He does have full-time work, employed there full-time for 4 months. His 2 cases that are pending are misdemeanor matters and are still pending at this time. We are respectfully requesting the court to discharge him from probation without improvement and to not impose any additional jail time at this time.
Young man, anything you want to say?
I can pay 150 today if needed.
Pardon?
I can pay 150 today.
I'm not really worried necessarily about the money. I'm trying to figure out why you didn't do anything.
Yeah, I've just been all over the place. So, but I am trying to get them off my record. So,
Pardon?
I said I've been all over the place, but I am trying to clear my record. So that's what I'm here.
Ms. Valero, that date of offense on the domestic was in 2019, correct?
Correct, Your Honor.
And what, was he just on bench warrant stat? What?
I believe so. I can verify that for you.
Here's where it starts to get sticky: multiple probation violations and new pending cases. That's a red flag for any judge. The stakes just got higher, and you can feel the tension in the courtroom.
And then you have while she's looking at that, you have a brand new, while you're on this case and on a bench warrant on the other case, you got a new ag assault that you picked up on May 31st.
That's an alleged case, though.
What?
That's an alleged case, though. I was arrested for warrants. Just do that case.
I realize it's alleged. They're all alleged until you come to court to take care of it.
Yes, sir.
I mean,
Classic moment. The defendant offers to pay $150 on the spot. This is one of those humanizing gestures that can sway a judge. But notice how he struggles to explain the non-compliance narrative matters almost as much as numbers.
Yes, he was on bench one signature.
Jeez. All right. Anything else you want to say?
No, sir.
We're going to waive all remaining terms and set the financial obligations, discharge him from probation without improvement. Defendant is sentenced to 93 days in jail. I'll give him credit for 13. Defendants served a balance. Defendants remanded.
Damn, he going to jail. Damn, he going to jail.
That's Washington.
And he's going to jail. Bam! That instant emotional pivot, the kind of moment that keeps viewers on the edge of their seats. Credit for 13 days served softens the blow, but reality hits hard.
Morning, Assistant Public Defender Lauren Perry on behalf of Mr. Washington. Ms. Washington, can you unmute and state your name for the record, please?
My name is Demarcus Daquan Washington.
Your Honor, there are two files in front of you. One, he owes about $500 on, or $525, I think, 507. He paid a $500 bond. On the other one, I think that one he might owe $325, and he paid a $300 bond. He just got out of prison in the last couple months. He's just getting back to working. I'd ask that you just apply the.
Did he pay the bond? Because I had the bonds being set, but I don't have that he paid them.
I'm not sure. JAS just reflected that he paid bonds on both cases.
You see bonds on either. I see the bond set, but I don't see payment.
Well, if I misread JAS, I apologize. I'd ask then to adjourn the show cause so he's been in prison for 5 years, so he's kind of just getting back on his feet and back to work.
Are you working currently, sir?
Yes, I work at Deluxe Tents and Events in Belleville. And Judge Simpson, I just wanted to ask you, as you know what I'm saying, somebody who just did 5 years in prison. And, you know, these cases are misdemeanors. And I did just get sent to prison from Washington County. I was wanted to know if you could run anything concurrent with the time I've just done, because I just came home May 29th.
Sir, I don't have any proof that you did any time in prison. I don't have any of that in front of me.
Okay. Well, I'm saying that.
So I'm going to adjourn this to July 10th, 2024 at 9 a.m. Council, get together something for me to take a look at regarding that.
That's fair.
As well. Well, thank you. As well as in case if I decide that he needs to at least pay one of these, how he would do that.
Sure. Thank you.
Thank you.
So July 10th.
July 10th.
Okay.
And next time, make sure that you understand how to work Zoom so you're not interrupting my court.
Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Then, y'all, they said I interrupted the court and everything, y'all.
Seriously? Kick him out.